Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and today I want to give you some updates about SpinUp 2019 and a big sale that's going on for DJI, so stay tuned. So one of the speakers I'm really excited about is Jason Shapert from Remote Pilot 101. If you go to www.remotepilot101.com, you can take a class that will prepare you for the Part 107 exam in the US. Now, I took the class and I really enjoyed it. It was very engaging. It was very interesting. Jason keeps it light, he keeps it interesting, he keeps it entertaining, and he teaches you everything you need to know to pass the class. We are very excited to have Jason speaking at SpinUp. Also joining us as a speaker is Hai Kesteloo. Now, Hai is the editor and chief writer at Drone DJ. If you don't know Drone DJ, go to www.dronedj.com. He is the guy who breaks news stories, who teaches us about drones, and keeps up with the latest news in the drone world. It's a really interesting and fantastic website if you're into drones and you want to know more about what's coming up in the drone community and drone world. Drone DJ is the place to go. You can also subscribe to their newsletter, which I do, and I get regular updates about what's going on. Hai is going to be speaking at SpinUp as well. You won't want to miss that. So as we prepare for SpinUp, I've put together a quick survey asking a few questions about who we should get to speak, what sort of topics we should cover, and what things you would like to see at SpinUp 2019. Now, the link is right below. It's a very fast, just a few quick questions with an open area where you can also type in your opinions and your thoughts. If you'll go do that over the next couple of weeks, it'll help me shape how SpinUp 2019 turns out and what sort of speakers we get for the event. So finally, if you live in the US or Canada, I want you to know that June 7th through June 16th is DJI's summer sale. I've got a link in the description to the summer sale. They've got the Mavic 2 Zoom, they've got the Mavic Air, they've got the Ronin S, they've got the Tello, and we're talking about pretty big savings off of the regular prices from June 7th until June 16th, 2019 in the US and Canada. So if you're thinking about buying a drone or one of these accessories like the Ronin S, definitely go check out their sale before it ends on June 16th. The link is below. So that's it. Thanks for watching this quick update on SpinUp 2019. I'm really excited about it. Again, if you'll go take that survey, I would really appreciate it. It'll help me put the program together and make it even better for everyone who attends. If you want to know more about SpinUp, go to www.dronespinup.com. The prices go up at the end of June, so if you want to get the best price on a ticket between now and the end of June is the time to buy at www.dronespinup.com. If you want to know more about drones, more about drone accessories, cameras, and all that good stuff, please subscribe to Ready Set Drone. Also, right now I'm just going to mention I'm in Berlin, Germany, going to be traveling here for the next 3 weeks. Really excited to shoot some awesome drone footage as well as just some video about my experience here in Germany. So if you're into travel and cool looking video, you'll definitely want to check that out.